In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add profile information on Remitly. Keeping your profile accurate makes transfers smoother and helps with account verification, so we'll walk through each area clearly and simply. Start by heading to the Remitly homepage in your browser. When the page loads, look to the top right for the Welcome menu. Click it to open your account options, then select Settings. This brings you to your account settings area, where all your personal details live. On the profile information page, begin with your name. Make sure you're in the name section, then choose Add next to it. Enter your first name and last name exactly as they appear on your official identification to avoid verification hiccups later. When you're done, click Save. If Save isn't available, double-check that both fields are filled in correctly and remove any accidental spaces. You can always return here later to make corrections if something changes. Next, update your address. Back on the main profile information screen, find the address section and click Add or Edit. Type your street address on the first line. If you have an apartment, suite, or unit number, use the optional second line to keep everything tidy. Add your city, choose your state from the drop-down, and enter your zip code. Before you continue, quickly scan for typos or missing characters. Clean, consistent address details help ensure your information matches banking and identity records. When everything looks right, click Save. Now move to the phone number section. Click Add, review the phone number field shown on the page, and then click Save. Keeping a current number on file is important for account alerts and security notifications, so it's worth confirming it displays the way you expect after saving. While you're still in profile information, you'll also see sections for email address, password, language, and sending to. These areas let you view or manage the contact email on your account, the password you use to sign in, the language you prefer for the site, and the country you typically send to. It's helpful to be familiar with where these live so your details and preferences stay consistent with how you use Remitly. And that's it. You started from the home page, opened the Welcome menu, went into Settings, added your legal name, saved your full address with city, state, and zip, and reviewed where to maintain your phone number and other key preferences. Always check for the confirmation on each section after you click Save to be sure your updates are stored properly. Your profile is now set up for a smoother money transfer experience.